Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Buell Computing. Today I'm going to show you how to record unlimited videos through CCTV. Admin faces problems in recording long videos through CCTV due to its configuration. The default configuration captures videos for 15 days. So, it is very essential to know how to record 6 months to year-long recorded videos through CCTV. For this configuration, go to your computer's Smart PSS software. In the previous video, I showed you how to install PSS software on the computer. Please watch it. Now I am opening this software. After opening, click on Devices and check whether your devices are online or not. Now click on your device and click Encode. Here you have to configure the encoding video system of your CCTV. Make your mainstream video encode type H.260 for HD quality video. The resolution will be 720p. The FPS should be 15. The stream control will be BRC CBR. Now select the bit as 320 kbps. If you increase the bit stream, the video quality will be higher, but you cannot record long videos. Select encode mood. The mood will be G7110. Now go to the stream. Make encode type H.264. Make resolution CIF. Later make FPS 10. Stream control will be BRC CBR. After completing all the configurations, click copy the current configuration to all. Now click apply to continue. Now under storage click schedule. Click on regular, which indicates green color. Now click on MD, which is the motion detector. Its color is yellow. You can see that the motion detector and regular schedule have been configured for each day of the month. If you want to add an alarm, you can add it by clicking alarm. If you want to remove motion detector settings from your system, click on MD and you will find an eraser icon. You can remove the motion detector from here. If you want to add an alarm, the pencil icon will show on the mouse pointer. You can add an alarm to your recording. Now your device has been configured to record long videos. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching the full video.